Hello guys, so I'm here with a new video. So many people have asked me for making a video in English, so I'm trying this for the first time. I hope it will go good. So guys, I didn't I was not able to make much videos last month, but this month I have thought of making a lot of videos, and today only I received a payment from one of the websites, so I thought of making a video on it. So guys, till now you guys must have seen the description and understood what I'm going to tell you, but still I'll tell you what is the process, how much I got paid, and all the details that I used to get the survey. So yeah, let's move on to it. And guys, I forgot one thing to say. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot, that will motivate me a lot. And if you want, you can also join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And that's it. Let's start the video, guys. You can use the website userresearch.google.com, or you can go to the description and check it out. Okay, in the description I have given the link. You can directly go there. After you come here, okay, so after you come here, just have to click a sign up. Okay, after you click on sign up, it is just it will be a simple survey. Now it will be telling a simple survey. Click on new here and go to the next step. Okay, after this, click on all the languages that you can speak, right? For me, I used English, Hindi, right? And if you have a local language, you can use it. Okay, and if you are from some other country, you can use it as well. After that, just go to the next part. Okay, and here, how do you like to participate in our studies? What I did was the second option. I am willing to use my computer and a mobile device, and I'm willing to complete online service. But if you are comfortable with the first and third option, you can use them as well. Okay, if you are comfortable with them. So yeah, after that, are you connected to Google in any of the following ways? So it is asking if you are connected with Google in any ways. I was not connected, so I used none of the above. Okay, so you can select. This is just a simple survey. I am just telling you what I did, right? So that you guys will get a brief idea, right? So, and yeah, don't try to fake information because Google will know it. Okay, give accurate information, give you accurate information. After that, what is your name? First name, family name. So first name, you put your name, and family name, I'm just doing this like a dummy thing so that you guys will understand. Okay, I'll just do it. Okay, let's go to the next step. What's your birthday? So guys, birthday, give your accurate birth date, right? After that, I'll just give some dummy date and I'll move forward, right? Okay, so what is your gender? Same, just select whatever you are and move on to the next step. Okay, after this, it is asking you if you use any technologies, if you use any of the assistive technologies on a day-to-day basis, right? So here you can see a number of options are there, right? So only select those which you use. Okay, don't try to fake it, don't try to select everything. Okay, selecting everything will let Google know that you are faking it. Okay, so don't try to fake it, try to select only those which you use. Okay, okay, after that, move on to the next step. Okay, select I am just for dummy thing, so I just selecting anything and moving on to the next step. So yeah, by the way, I selected alternative keyword, right? And I think something else because I use it. Okay, whatever I use, I just selected it and move to the next step, right? Where do you live? Select your country. I live in India, so I selected it. And if you are from some other country, you can select it as well. After that, in which city do you live and what is your postal code? Okay, you can select your city. I am just going to select for example, Delhi, right? And I'll select the postal code 765234, right? Something, so just a dummy value. Okay, what is your email address? What is your phone number? So this is a email address, right? This must be a Google account, that means a Gmail account. Okay, put the email address there. What is your phone number? Give your phone number, because when you will be selected for a study, Google, someone from Google will call you, right? Someone from Google will call you regarding this study that you are selected, and will you be willing to participate? That is how I got selected, and I got participated. I got a link, and I applied from there. Okay, so after that, after you give the phone number, after you give the email address, just move on to the next step. Okay, yeah, so guys, I don't want to make this thing as making double accounts might be a bad impression for my side, so I'll just stay here because I don't quite remember if there was some this survey continued after this or not. But yeah, after this, give accurate information up to the mark. This will be a simple survey. Complete the survey, and after it, that's it. Okay, you just have to wait for them. They will contact you if they have a study with them. Okay, and how much I got paid, let me show you. I did a study. Okay, it was a simple study. Let me tell you what the study was about. The study was about Google image search. Okay, the study was simple. So I will not be able to tell you exactly what happened because that will be a violation of the NDA. Okay, that the non-disclosure agreement, but I will tell you what exactly happened. It was a simple study on Google image search. Okay, those were like, though each study took about 10 to 15 minutes max, and I did a total of, I think there was 10 days, 9 to 10 studies were there, and if I am not wrong, and I got paid rupees 5,000 for it. Okay, so if I'll say that is around 15 minutes of time for 10 studies, and somewhere so easy that they took only 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so if you say only 150 minutes, so for 3 hours of work maximum, not 3 hours, it will be around 2 hours and 30 minutes. I got 5,000 rupees. That is a great pay, right? That is absolutely great. So I got the money today. Okay, as Flipkart voucher. Okay, so they pay differently. For some studies they will pay like this, and for some study they will have a different payment medium. Okay, so for this they have had Flipkart voucher, so that doesn't matter. It only matters when you get paid, right? So I'll now show you the mail that I received, and all the sensitive information I'll be going to blur. So here you can see how like the mail that I got today. You can see that the mail I got was 3:55 p.m. today. So it is saying, hello again from Google. Thank you for participating in our Google user experience study. We value your input very much. Here are the codes to the Flipkart e-voucher worth 5,000 INR as a token of our appreciation for your participation. Okay, and happy shopping. Okay, so I got five vouchers, five different five vouchers of 1,000 rupees each, and yeah, I have already redeemed those in my Flipkart account. So yeah, that is how it all went. It was pretty much straightforward. Everything was very simple. Yeah, and if you get selected, you will be getting a call from Google representative. They will just ask you if you will be available for taking, if you are willing to participate in this study. You will just have to say yes, and that's it. You will be in for the study, right? So that is pretty much simple. Many people don't know about it, so I just thought of making this video. So guys, yeah, I hope this would help you guys, and I'll meet you guys in the next videos. Till that time guys, bye bye, take care, and guys, happy earning.